Boom! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt.
What's up, Hank?
And this is Elisa.
Hi, everyone.
How you doing? Schmidt
Schmidt.
of Sunshine State RVs.
Well, she works for a company called Park, I think.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yes. Yeah, make sure to send all the free clothing from that.
A national park.
Please.
Is that a
yes,
national
I would
park
love
brand?
that.
Is that what that is?
Something like that.
Okay, so today, if you're wondering, we are making a video actually on a pop top, which we're going to show you guys how to open. But
Yep.
we did a comparison with the Coachmen Nova and the Pixel
Yep, both pop tops.
pop tops, and we didn't give like very specific information on the pop top itself.
We did it.
Right?
We kind of went through the Nova, we went through the Pixel, but we didn't like open and close the pop top. So a lot of people were asking about it. And so
Yes.
Hank, being a man of the people that you are,
That's right.
you want to give the people what they want.
Exactly.
So we wanted to show the pop top, and it's easy for a 240-pound guy like myself to jump up there and do it.
I like
It's
how
easy-
you edited that in your mind.
It's easy for
Don't even say my number.
a handsome, hefty guy like Hank to jump
Yeah.
into it. But the reason we brought Elisa here is she's working with us here at Sunshine State RVs part-time while you're a senior in college.
That's right.
Almost done.
Oh,
Almost done. Actually, 1 year left.
Do you see the light at the end of the tunnel?
I do. I'm starting to
yeah.
really see.
She'll be able to pay you back soon.
Hey, my man, my man. We haven't talked about the payback yet.
That's why she's working here.
But
Yeah.
that is why.
Uh-huh.
So the reason that we have her here isn't because she's beautiful. The reason
Yeah.
we have her here is to show how easy it is. Some parts of it you don't mind if it's easy. Other parts you want it to be a little harder because you don't want the pop top closing on accident. The other thing is a lot of times you use a pop top, you're gonna have your grandkids with you, you're gonna have your kids with you. So, I just wanted to show that it doesn't take big, strong, muscular, fit, good looking, in shape, masculine, tough model type guys.
All these things sound like me. Right.
To
okay.
do this.
Okay.
Than a 21-year-old, petite, frail.
This is not how tall I am.
Yeah, there we go. That's how tall she is.
Wow.
She can do the
Is
pop
she
top.
shorter than Mary?
About.
Wow.
She can do the pop top all by herself.
Nice.
So let's jump right into
Yes,
it.
and we'll give you other details, but we want to start with this, getting the pop top open.
Yep.
And
So this
you know,
is a
show you
pixel.
how
I'm
to
gonna
do
stand
it.
behind you there. You can jump up here.
Yeah,
This
so we're
is
gonna
a-
have Nick give instructions, and Elisa.
So this is a
follow.
Pixel.
Uh-huh.
The Pixel has the seats here, which are really nice. This is made for 4 people. Seat belts, child anchors there. And it's great because they're sleeping for 2 in the back. They're sitting for 4 here. Now the pop top gives you sleeping for 4 as well, which is a great feature in this pop top. So Lisa, climb on up there. Maybe go on that second step. The first step is to unlock it in the middle there, or yeah, you can do a strap. You can do the other strap. Press that button in the middle, and that unlocks it. There you go. And now you give it a little push.
There you go.
And look at that. A 21-year-old, 100-pound female can open it. Now go ahead and climb on up there. And then you can unzip this here to get some fresh air up there if you'd like, and get some lights. So that's pretty nice. It's a screen there, so you have fresh air, which is nice. You have light. There's also a skylight up there, Lisa.
Yeah, and you have these zips, just before we move on, Nick. You've got one here on the side you could open if you want, and then you have one over there for crosswind purposes.
Crosswind. Yes,
but you were discussing.
Cross ventilation, they call it, Hank.
Yeah.
Then you have the skylight there. So Lisa, open that skylight. There's 2.
Do you want to push the red button?
Yep. Push the red button, twist that one, twist
And
the other
there's
one.
Another one here.
Oh, maybe you need a little better leverage.
There we go. I
There
didn't
you
know
go.
This is
all the way.
hashtag don't break the nails.
So, yes, and then the silver thing, just gonna pull it down, push it up. There you go. So now that goes all the way up as well. And then there's 2 screens on it. So you got the bug screen. There you go. And then you have the nighttime shade.
There you
Perfect.
go. Awesome.
And then separate the 2. Might require 2 hands.
Might require 2.
There you go.
There you go.
And then you can pull the skylight back down. Look at that. You can lock that thing in, lock both sides. Perfect.
And that side.
Not hard at all.
I'm gonna give you this so you can show people the room up
So-
there. How does it feel up there?
Very spacious. My feet don't even go all the way to the end.
There you go.
And there's
Would
a
you
lot
like
of
to
space.
sleep up there and camp up there?
Oh, I would definitely sleep up here.
Would you?
Oh yeah, this is super comfortable. Very spacious.
How's the mattress?
Very soft. Very
Yeah, that
comfortable.
Feels good, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
And I like being able to see straight out.
Yeah.
It's also
then-
very bright up here too.
Yes. So I think someone was asking about power. There is a USB right there.
Right
So
here.
that's what you have. Yeah. I
And
think
then
if you.
with 2 more. Right.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. So there's plenty of USBs, and then if you really need to take something up there, you could take like a little power pack battery thing with
Or
you,
like
right?
a fan if it's warm. You know, you probably wouldn't camp up there in the dead of summer.
Yeah.
But you know. So now, Lisa, let's zip this shade back up here.
Okay.
So Lisa, if I pulled up to the house and I said, "Hey, let's jump in and go camping with your siblings," where would everybody want? Where would all the kids want to sleep?
Well, I know I would want to sleep up here, but we could definitely fit two of the grown siblings up here.
Okay.
Right, 2 grown siblings can fit up there.
Yeah.
A couple more, yeah.
Maybe
so
3.
maybe
Maybe
3.
three.
There you go.
Okay.
So let's imagine you were 6, your brother was 4,
Oh,
your
we
sister
have-
was 2, and then your other brother was a newborn. Where would all 4 kids want to sleep?
Right here. This would be the most fun spot, definitely, for all the kids, and everybody would fit here.
Everyone kind of nests
All the
together.
minis. Yes.
Yeah. So when we go to take this down, right, we were given some advice to leave like a little bit of room in there so we don't make an air pocket.
Oh yeah,
in
so
this.
leave that open for about 3 inches.
Yeah.
There you
A
go.
couple of
Perfect.
inches, just so some air comes in when you're pulling
Okay,
it down.
So now, Lisa, you want to climb down and
So let's see now whether.
look at that. Nice and easy. So if your grandparents called and said, "Hey, we want to take you camping," you were 8 years old, 10 years old, that would definitely, I mean, like
Oh,
you'd
yeah.
be fighting over who
Oh,
would
absolutely.
be sleeping up
yeah,
there.
for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
now.
and that's typically the people buying this are
Mhm.
people that have grandkids or kids or people they want to take camping with them.
Right.
Which is great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now bringing it down.
So now,
that's the thing.
So now bringing it down is a little harder for her to do it herself, which is the goal. We don't want it to be so easy to come down that a kid can be hanging or playing from it and it just kind of comes down.
While
on them.
people are up there.
Wow.
Yeah. You also want to bring it down evenly. You don't want to bring one side down
Actually,
more than the other.
If it was
when you
any
bring it
easier,
down.
your brother might bring it down on you while you were sleeping. As a joke.
Yeah.
That would
And he would probably be able to.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
would probably be able to. So what you want to do,
Uh-huh.
if you can do it on your own, which you could. If not, you can have. So let's actually move this, and we'll kind of show. Maybe we'll do like a little tag team here, Lisa. We'll show what it's like. Here, I'll move this.
Okay.
We'll show what it's like if 2 of us have to work together to bring it down. So maybe you stand here and you grab this one, which this is not necessary. But if a husband and wife were working on this together, they would both maybe grab a strap and then they would pull. 1, 2, 3,
Pull it down evenly.
So
there
then
you go.
you would just pull it right down, and you could do that.
Voila.
So with one stronger one
Not so strong.
not so strong,
Yeah.
it can come down. Now let's pull it up, and I can show that I could do it. Oh, let's unlock it first. Let's pull it up, and let's show how it can be done by itself. So once it gets open and locked in, then obviously one person could pull it down on their own. But if you have a husband and wife and
Yeah.
you wanted a tag team, you could. So it can
Yeah.
go down. Then,
Or if it was like a couple of kids.
or-
Yeah, they
a
could
couple
get it
kids.
done. Yeah. You
Um,
need the weight. It's
Yes,
not so
you need
much.
to wait, yeah.
Yeah.
So then you lock one here, you lock the other one here, and then you lock it there, and then you can even strap this in. It just kind of keeps everything
Awesome.
in bay.
And then if you don't want that light coming in, you could close that
Yep,
screen, do whatever you
close.
want to do there.
This here to keep
Yeah.
it dark.
There you go.
So now your pop top is
Absolutely.
totally secured and done.
Yeah.
So
I think
this is the same pop top on the Pixel and on the Nova.
Yep.
So it's the exact same function, the same everything on the Pixel and the Nova.
great. There you go. Now I'm sure there's going to be more questions still. But I know if people have questions, your sales guys can,
Yes, yes.
guys and girls can take
Of
them,
course.
like
Of
do
course.
a
Yeah, we do
FaceTime or
videos, we
something.
do FaceTimes
Yeah.
during the walkthrough. So when you come to Sunshine State RVs and buy an RV here, during the walkthrough here, we teach you how to use this. You know, Corey will go through and teach people real detail on how to use it, how to open it, how to close it. We can do it with you the first couple times, show you all the best practices for it. And then we let you camp here locally for the first couple nights, and then you can really get a good use for it while you do
Yeah.
that.
Now, since we didn't give Elisa a microphone, and people say I never let Lola say anything, you want to get some final thoughts?
All right, final thoughts on the pop top.
I personally love it. I was not expecting it to be that easy for me to do.
But yeah, it was really easy for me to do, other than pulling it down, which just need a little bit of help. But I really like it up there. It's so comfortable. I love the natural light. It's one of my favorite things.
Is it aesthetically pleasing?
It's very aesthetically pleasing,
So Lisa
I would
just
say.
moved into a new apartment.
Yes.
And in her apartment, she has these big skylights.
I do. I have a skylight, and it is my favorite part of the room.
Yes.
And so it's really nice up there that you can open all the windows and it'd be nice and bright. But then at night, close them all and be nice and cozy up there to sleep.
Awesome.
Multiple
All right.
people.
I'll let you guys close it out.
Awesome. Yeah, pop tops are easy. They're great, multifunctional. And you know, my favorite thing about the pop top is you may only use it for, if you make camp 10 times a year, you may only use it twice a year. But for those 2 times a year, you got to have it. The other times that you don't use it, you don't even notice it's there. Obviously, these straps, you just move out of the way, and you don't even, it doesn't drive any different. It doesn't weigh any, like, it doesn't change the gas mileage. It doesn't function any different with a pop top. So if you even think you might need one, I would recommend you getting one with a pop top, because it's better to have it than not have it.
To not. Awesome.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
You know how to send us out.
Sunshine Sarah Leaves. Thanks for watching. This is StrangerPalooza.